5 Most Asked Java Interview Program. Hello all, welcome to our channel Technical Stuffs. Here we will provide you all the solution for interview related. We will help you to crack interview with any technology. Please subscribe our channel and hit the like button and press the bell icon to get the regular updated so that you can crack any interview. Let's get started with the brand new series of must-know Java programming interview programs. First, write a program for Fibonacci series in Java. Let's move to next, write a program to check for prime number in Java. Next one is write a Java program for string palindrome. Next one is similar to the previous one, write a Java program for integer palindrome. Before going to the last one, please subscribe the channel for more such technical stuffs. It will help you crack interview. Now moving to the last but not the least, write a program to check Armstrong number in Java. See you on the next video with such type of content. If it is useful for you, give us a thumbs up. Also write in comment section which program you would like to see in the next video.